Imagine having a personal AI assistant that thinks like you, works like you. With Google's new feature called Gem, you can actually build your own custom AI inside Gemini to act exactly the way you want. In this video, I will show you step by step how to create your own Gem assistant. Whether you are content creator or coach or online seller. Before started, let's see if this video can get 1,000 likes that tell me you want more Gemini tutorial like this one. It's like your personal AI profile inside Gemini. Each one can have its own goal, style, and personality. For example, you can create one gem for writing YouTube script, another for manage clients, and one for generate product description. Think of them like your teams of smart assistants, all powered by Gemini AI. To create your first gem, go to gemini.google.com, then click on Explore Gem and New Gem. Step 1, give it a name like Content Coach or Marketing Assistant or AI Partner. Step 2, add a short description. For example, you help me to write video script, create captions, and suggest trending idea. Step 3, add instruction. This is the most important part. Here, you tell your gem exactly how to think and write and respond. Let's go through examples for custom gems you can create, like a content creator gem. You are my AI content assistant. You help me write video script, generate catchy hooks, and analyze engagement trends. Always write in clear English with short, punchy sentences. Second example, for business or for e-commerce gem. You are my digital sales partner. You help me write product descriptions, create social media posts, and analyze market performance. Each one of them will act differently. They are all inside the same Gemini account. Once you create your gem, click Save, then open it and start chatting. Try different prompts and see how it responds. If it doesn't sound right, click Edit the instruction and add specific goals. The best part, you can create as many gems as you want. And that's how you create your own personalized AI assistants inside Google Gemini using gems. Each gem can handle a specific task so you can focus on what really matters. If you want more tutorials like this one, AI tools and automation, make sure to subscribe on my channel. We are just getting started with the power of Gemini.